Hello my dear students, Adarsh Coaching YouTube channel को तुम्हारा स्वागत. Dear students, today we are going to study a 9th class math chapter surface area and volume. First, it is your cone, surface area of the cone. There are two surface areas. One is your CSA, means curved surface area, and next total surface area. First curved surface area, then total surface area. CSA, curved surface area. TSA, total surface area. First, it is your curved surface. CSA, curved surface. Curved surface, this is your cone. This base of the cone is your circle. Radius is your arc. This is height of the cone, and L is your slant height. Paper cutting ru ame emti piece guda paiba cone ru. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the several pieces. Number of pieces we can cut it. Let base of this piece will be B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, etc. But total surface, total curved surface area of cone, जोटा कि CSA, curved surface area, CSA of cone equal to area of each piece area को हमें total कर देले cone रो total curved surface area पाइबा. Each piece, there are number of pieces. Now each piece area will be half into B1 L. L is your slant height. There are number of heights. This is your H, H1, H2, H3 similarly. Number of means this height will be your L. Half base into height. It is your half B1 into L, B2 into L, B3 into L. Similarly, if you take common half, take a common L, it will B1 plus B2 plus B3. Similarly, number of bases. Total base equal to 2 pi r, and L is your slant height. 2 cancel. Curved surface total pi r l. It is your answer. Pi r l is your curved surface area. Now total surface area of the cone. Cone total. Now total surface area TSA of your cone. TSA equal to CSA first, curved surface area plus area of base, plus area of base. We know that CSA equal to pi r l plus area of base. Base is your circle. Base of the cylinder is your circle, and the base area equal to pi r square. Here pi r and pi r taking common as whole upre pi r ame common nahi gale. Tale here it is L plus r. That means pi r into L plus r is your total surface area of the cone. Now volume of the cone. Cylinder and cone compare जदि आमे करिबा ताले गोटे सिलिंडर को पेपर कटिंग रे आमे बहुत बढ़िया से फिगर को बुझी परिबा. जो माने पेपर कटिंग करि परिबो से माने सिलिंडर रो केमति कोन को पाइबो मो सेटा बढ़िया भाव देखे देउची. It is your cylinder, two bases, circular bases. It is your cylinder, and height of the cylinder. This is your cone. It is your cone. टिके बंका होगी. It is your cone. It is your cone. ताले this part is your cone. Total हमें 1, 2, 3 parts कर दे परिवा. That means cylinder रो area रो 1/3 pi r square h is your volume of the cone. Basic formula about your cone finished. Total surface area, curved surface area. First CSA, curved surface area, CSA, pi r l. Then TSA, total surface area, pi r common L plus r pi r into L plus r. then volume 1/3 pi r square h. Now we are going to proceed our examples and exercise. First example 1. Example 1. What is given here? Find the curved surface area of the right circular cone. Why it is a right circular? Because cone is your circular base and height is perpendicular. Height is perpendicular to the base of the cone. Cone or base सहित height perpendicular थाए. It is your 90 degree. It is your slant height L. ताले h है height. H is your height. R is your base radius. Base cylinder there are two bases but cone only one circular base, and L is your slant height. Slanting जोटा है कि रही height सहित slant height. H is your L is your slant height. Relation between HR and L equal to relation between HR. L equal to H square plus R square root over value of L you will find. If H and R will given, H and R that is given thibo, then we will able to find the value of L. If L and H given, then we will in this way. R also, R equal to L square minus H square root over. Another way we will able to find H equal to L square minus R square root over. All are relation between slant height and radius R. It is the radius R. Dimension given thile radius पाई परिबो. Radius equal to diameter by 2. Diameter जदि given था, then proceed to your first example. Example 1. Example 1 is given. Find the curved surface area of the right circular cone whose slant height L equal to 10 cm. Example 1 is given अछि. Base radius equal to 7 cm. 7 cm radius is. How can we find the curved surface? ताले CSA curved surface equal to pi RL. Put the value of pi 22/7. Here 22/7 into R is your 7 into L is your 10. 7 cancel. 22 into 10 220 cm square is your CSA of the right circular cone. Then finish your example 1. Proceed to example 2. Example 2 को proceed करिए. Here another question for you. Example 2. Height is given 16 cm. Base of a radius 12 cm. R equal to find CSA. Curved surface area of the cone. Curved surface area of the cone is your pi RL. L is your slant height. L is not given here. We are going to find the value of L. L equal to H square plus R square root over. Here H is 16 and R is 12. 16 square plus 12 square root over 16 square 16 6 are 256. 16 into 16 6 are 96. Put 6 kg 9. 16 1 are 16 9 25 plus 12 square 144. Add this 256 and 144. 6 for 10 put 0 carries 1. 5 and 6 plus for 10 put 0 carries 1. 2 1 3 1. 400. Root over value equal to 20. That means L equal to 20. Now find pi RL. Put the value of a pi. Here pi is given 3.14. Pi RL हमें find out करना. 3.14 into R is your radius 12 into L equal to 20. Now 3.14 ये 20 रु आम ये 10 मल्टीप्लाई करदे इंटू 12 इंटू 2 रखिदेवा ताले 20 को आम स्प्लिट करदे 2 इंटू 10 10 मल्टीप्लाई कले इजी हम टे ताले 3.14 एवं होगला 31.4 इंटू 31.4 इंटू 24 इजिली मल्टीप्लाई कर 24 4 जा 24 4 जा 96 put 6 carries 9 24 1 जा 24 plus 9 36 put 6 point here put 6 carries 3 24 3 जा 72 again 24 4 जा 96 put 6 carries 6 24 1 जा 24 plus 9 24 4 जा 96 put 6 carries 9 here 24 1 जा 24 plus 9 24 plus 9 36 33 sorry put 3 carries 3 24 3 जा 72 3 75 753.6 is your answer. Now find out the TSA. Again in this number TSA total surface area. TSA equal to CSA plus area of the base pi r square. CSA is your 753.6 plus pi is your 3.14 into r is your 20. Put the value of r 20 square 400. Here 753.6 plus 3.14 into 400. In this way you will 753.6 plus 3.14 into 100 into 4 400 का मैं स्प्लिट कर दे 4 into 100 मल्टीप्लाई कर देने से ये हो जाएगा 314 into 4 plus 753.6 ये कितना हो जाएगा 753.6 plus 4 4 जा 16 put 6 carries 1 4 1 जा 4 1 5 4 3 12 now ऐड कर दो 1256 ऐड कर देने से तुम्हारा TSA निकल जाएगा. Now example 3 for you. A corn cob radius is your 2.1 cm, height not a slant height h equal to 20 cm. If each 1 cm square of the surface of the cob carries average 4 grains, लिख लीजिए if 1 cm square of surface area कौन corn cob just like your cone भाया गोटे corn ताले तार 1 cm square area रे 1 cm square area this area is 1 cm square there are 4 grains ताले how many grains contain this total cob. First we are going to find the surface कारण तार surface area रे the seeds are stick with the surface area. Then CSA हमें find out करियो first. CSA pi rn. What is the value of pi here? Given pi value of pi rn find out करियो. Value of pi is your 22/7. Put the value is not given here. Then we should put the value of pi is 22/7. First we are going to find the L. L equal to h square plus r square root over h is your 20 square plus r is your 2.1 square then root over 20 square is your 400 plus 2.1 square means 2.1 into 2.1 answer will be 21/10 into 21/10 answer will be 21 441 divided by 100 answer will be 4.41 total root over answer will be 20.11 20.11 is your value of L. Now we are going to value of L is 20.11. Now we are going to find the value of pi RL. Pi RL CSA. CSA pi RL. Put the value of pi 22/7 into R is your 2.1 into L is your 20.11. कटिंग कर दबा 7 रे हमारा 2.1 7 3 जा 0.3. Now multiply yourself 22 into 0.3. 3 2 जा 6. 3 2 जा 6. It is your 6.6 into 20.11. In this way you will be able to do the multiplication 66/10 into 2011 divided by 100. Answer will be first multiply. Approximate answer is your 132.73 cm square. Answer multiply कले आंसर approximate आसो ताले एतिकी cm square 1 cm square contain 4 grains. 4 grains total surface area again केते थिबो how many 132.73 into 4 is your answer. In this way you will able to do the example 3. Now your exercise करबे आमे exercise रे बहुत सारा नंबर्स अछि मु किछि exercise तुमको हेल्प करूची. Exercise your 11.1 exercise 11.1. First question is your diameter base of a cone is 10.5. Diameter D equal to 10.5. R equal to 10.5/2. R and slant height 10 cm. Slant height L 10 cm. Find the curved surface area. That means CSA. CSA equal to pi RL. Put the value of a pi. Here pi is given 22/7. That means 22/7 into R is your 10.5/2 into L is your 10. How can we do this? First 22/7 10.5 into 10 105 divided by 2. 7 रे 105 cancel. 7 1 रे 7 3 35 7 5 का 15 2 रे 22 का 11 into 15 165 cm square is your answer. 165 cm square. Similarly, question 2, find total surface area of cone. Slant height is your 21 cm. Number 2, question number 2, slant height is given. Slant height means L. L equal to, it is your question number 2. Slant height 21 meter. 21 meter. Diameter of the base of the cone, diameter D. D equal to 24 meter. R equal to D/2 means 24/2 12 meter. L and R are given. Find the total surface area of the cone. That means TSA. TSA equal to CSA plus pi r square. CSA is equal to pi RL. Pi RL plus pi r square. Pi r taking common L plus R. L plus R. Pi 22/7 into R is your 12 into L plus R. L is your slant height 21 plus put the value of R. R is your 12. Now 22/7 into 12 21 plus 12 213 33. Multiply 22 12 and 33 divide 7 is your answer. Another question for you. Question 3, exercise 11.1. Question 3 is given. Your curved surface area of a cone is 380 cm square. L is your 14 cm. First find radius of the cone CSA equal to pi RL. Here pi is 22/7. Put the value of pi 22/7 into R find out karibar achi into L. L is your 14 cm and the CSA is given 308 cm square. 7 14 cancel again. 7 2 जा 22 and 2 44 R equal to 308. R equal to 308 divided by 44. 44 7 जा 308. 44 7. That means R is equal to 7 cm. Now total surface area TSA CSA plus base area pi r square. CSA is your pi r l plus pi r square. Pi r taking common, here it is l plus r. Put the values of pi 22/7, r is your 7, l is your 14, r is your 7. 7 7 cancel. 22 into 14 plus 7 21. Multiply this. 22 1 जा 22. Put 2 carry 2. 22 2 जा 44 2 46 cm square is your TS. In this way you will able to do the exercise. If any difficult, then contact with me by help of your comment box. It was surface area of your cone. Next आमे surface area of sphere पढ़िबा next class रे. ताले आज क्लास को आम ये रखा. नेक्स्ट आउ गोटे क्लास रे पुणी आउ गोटे नुआ जिनस ताले से जाए मत विदाय दियो. जय जगन्नाथ.